Old Celtic Farmer here. Say hello to Grace. John Deere E130 lawnmower. It's a new addition to the backyard farm. Had to put it away here in the barn. It's starting to rain here. You can tell that we got a lot of stuff growing. I wanted to do some mowing, but it's going to have to wait a little bit. Show a couple of new additions that we're doing over here. It's kind of a mess right now, but just added another satsuma, and we've added another ruby red grapefruit. You can see down here that this one here is doing pretty good. Got quite a bit of fruit on it. Moringa's doing real good. Planted a couple more next to Mom here. And we got another Myers lemon to add to our other lemon. Everything's coming right along. Got some bird netting back there around the blueberries. Figs are doing real good. Mulberries, goji berries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries. It's what backyard farming is all about. That way you can take care of your family. In case the poor farmers, something happens to them, you can still feed your family. That's what Cheris and Old Celtic Farmer and backyard farming is all about. You can still keep your yard beautiful, but you can feed your family. Y'all have a blessed day.